Do you know what Derma Prime is? If you don't, stay to the end. Derma Prime Plus is a natural supplement that contains antioxidant properties and other healthy nutrients that aim to achieve youthful skin. Ali Ray is a professional doctor who created this skincare recipe. This blend of purely natural ingredients was later offered to the general public. Some natural ingredients used in this formulation include milk thistle, grape seed, ginger root, dandelion, chicory, jujube and others. In traditional medicine, these ingredients help to increase collagen production, healthy skin cell production, improve blood circulation and other health benefits. The effectiveness of this formulated ingredient developed by Ali Ray has been confirmed by FDA-approved research. As a licensed healthcare provider, Derma Prime Plus is a natural, effective and reliable skincare formula that helps you improve your skin and your overall well-being. I definitely recommend Derma Prime Plus, but I also recommend that you start acquiring new skincare habits throughout your treatment, such as moisturizing your skin daily, using sunscreen, and getting enough sleep, to speed up your process. Derma Prime Plus is specifically formulated to eliminate free radicals that damage skin's health. It revitalizes the skin and brightens the skin complexion. The product detoxifies the liver, which restores the enzymes. It is formulated with anti-inflammatory properties that soothe inflammation and skin irritation. Derma Prime Plus helps the human body to absorb more nutrients for holistic development. It is good for hair and nails. Derma Prime Plus boosts collagen creation that keeps skin hydrated and healthy looking. The product is effective in your quest for healthy skin. The main ingredients present in Derma Prime Plus keep the skin protected from all environmental toxins. Get yours in the description.